We are looking at how to pronounce this word, as well as how to say more interesting words, both in British English and in American English, because the two pronunciations are different. In British English, this is normally pronounced as accurate. Accurate. You do want to stress on the first syllable, on the A syllable, but note that there is a Q sound here. Accurate. In American English, however, this is normally said as accurate. Accurate. No Q sound here. Accurate in American English versus accurate in British English. Did you get it? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more words in English whose pronunciations aren't exactly always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more.